on our pound USD. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. On our pound, we will start our analysis on our weekly time frame. We are actually on a bear run, right? We got pullback. We actually add this our fall again. One thing we will be expecting is actually a pullback, and we will be possibly be getting it this week. So I would want to be seeing a pullback to this level here, where we add this we see this a key area here where our price add this fall and a reversal move. We would want to be seeing that pullback around this area. As you can see, when we add a fall, we can see also here serves as a key level if you are to see it on our daily time frame. So as we would want to be expecting a pullback on to this our key level here, which is about 1.22204. So that is exactly where I will be aiming to get my pullback. And you can see it on our weekly time frame. Our price pushes down, and now it is starting to push up. You can see it now. So let's see if it's our price will be able to hit here and continue our bearish move. That is on our pound USD. Now on our daily time frame, let's see it from our daily time frame. We can see on our daily time frame we are starting to have this bullish move upward. You can see on Thursday we had this green bar. On Friday we also close green. I believe on Monday we would also open green. Tuesday to also open and close green, at least to this our key level area here, before we can actually get a drop we are aiming for. That's at least a bullish move of about 100 plus pips before we actually see a fall. That is exactly what I am aiming for. So as we are getting a bullish move on our pound, our USD to be falling. Now let's see on our DXY, which shows our for our USD. We can see on our daily time frame on our DXY we are actually on a bullish move, right? We can see also here a key level area here where our price dropped. We see another key level area here where our price dropped, and possibly would expecting a drop here, right? So we would want to be seeing that drop, and we are actually getting that drop. We saw it Thursday, we saw it on Friday. We are actually having that drop. So when our price open for the week, I would be expecting the drop to this A level area here, as we can see, where our price has once served as a resistance level here when our price was ranging. So when I get the pullback, then I possibly continue to go bullish to break our previous higher highs. That is if it is an uptrend move, but if not, then we might possibly get that bullish move to take our resistance level and then a drop. That is exactly what possibly can be happening. So above all, before we can see it now on our DXY, we are aiming for a drop first, right? We are going, that should be giving us a drop of about 900 pips. Let's take it like that, 100 pips. So we are waiting for a drop. As we are having that drop, then our pound would actually be pushing up. So since our USD is dropping, our pound is going up. So that is exactly what we see. And once we get that bullish move, then we should be expecting a drop on our pound to our USD. That is when our USD index DXY, after it has dropped, then you can possibly be getting that bullish move. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.